Alrighty. 1998 Ford Ranger. 3.0 liter engine, manual transmission, 4-wheel drive. So today I am semi-glossing the frame. I had primed it, and you could say part 5. And now you could say this is part 6. I waited 45 minutes. And now I'm gonna do some semi-gloss hair painting of this upper shock mount area. And there's the upper shock mount where you see me currently spraying. I wanted to treat this frame here, make it a little bit better. The 0.0001% of it. I've taken the time to degrease. Remove all the oil that salt and rust of 25 years of contaminants. And I just wanted to spiff this area up prior to putting on the upper shock mount. I had some primer and Rustoleum Semi-gloss protected ammo laying around, and I said, why not? Alright. At least this area will look good for the next 25 years. If I should have the truck for 25 more years. But that's it right there. That's one light coat. Alright, let's go underneath. Alright, we're going underneath the truck. I'll show you what I got here. So that's the primer. Hopefully this light will catch it up. I'll show you. That's the primered area. Yeah, right there. Okay, let me grab the can. We'll do some spraying here. You can see I taped off everything. I used masking tape. I gotta move the hand with the camera, right? Just doing some light 12 to 16 inches of pulp. Nice. Let's see if you can catch it at this angle. That's really, I'll show you here. Well, I'm lighting myself here with 10,000 lumens. So that's where the upper shock mount is. Right there. You might be able to see those 3 tape sections, and that's where the weld patch was. Probably can't see anything, right? It's dark. Alright. Do some more. Alright, that's good enough. We'll go back to the front. Let's see what we got here at the front seam. We'll throw down another light coat. Alright. Let me grab my 10,000 moon lamp. Let's see if we can light up. Oh, hope you guys still got me. If you're still with me through all these acrobats, you guys are great watchers here. Alright. That was probably 5 minutes. Let's throw down some more. Just going back and forth here, nice and lightly. You could probably see where I was touching it prior to see if it was dry. Funny me, eh? Stand up some. Get some paint here underneath. All right. All right, we'll let that dry up a spell. I got my goggles on and my face mask. These things are kind of foggied up right here a bit. But hey, there she is. All tarted up. Yep. Alrighty, well, for all it's worth, I'm gonna get on down to this upper shock mount. Alright, you guys, you have an Ablecraft day. And for all it's worth it.